I'm Simon Dodd, a UK racing driver, building and racing my own Formula 27 kit car in the 750 Motor Club. Here on the Doddsport channel, you'll see race weekends, engine rebuilds and our campervan conversion, which is just starting. The real process, the late nights and everything in between. For me, it's about passion, progress and living the dream 1 mile at a time. Because every build, every weld, every lap brings us one step closer to the next finish line. So if you love motorsport, engineering and want to see a home-built car come alive, subscribe and join the journey from garage to grid.